Today is a very special day for me and so many Filipino Americans. It's my honor to present House Resolution 65, which marks the month of October as Filipino American History Month. Filipino American History Month is about honoring and uplifting the contributions of Filipino Americans in our beautiful state and in our country. It's also about recognition of a history that isn't always seen or always told in our history books, at least not yet. Filipino Americans are one of the largest Asian American groups in California and the third largest in the United States. We are also home to the largest population of Filipinos outside of the Philippines. Filipinos have been in the United States for centuries. Since setting foot in Morro Bay, California in 1587, Filipinos have pioneered essential industries and are deeply part of California's economic prosperity. Hundreds of thousands of Filipinos were service sector workers, such as bellhops, dishwashers, and cooks, building thriving Manila town communities throughout the state. They also worked tirelessly on agricultural fields, canneries, and shipyards, and served as nurse and medical workers after World War II. We also know many of their invaluable service to our community during the COVID-19 pandemic, when many of our nurses and healthcare workers were Filipino Americans and helped save lives at the cost of their own sometimes. My own family immigrated here from Quezon City, Philippines, where I was born when I was a young girl. And as a daughter of a caregiver, a child care provider, and a nurse, I've seen the resilience and labor contributed by Filipino Americans. And as we celebrated Labor Day yesterday, we must also recognize the invaluable role Filipinos have played in the labor movement. Through their organizing and farm worker unionization, Filipinos have also left an enduring legacy in our civil rights movement. Filipino American labor leaders like Larry Itliong and Philip Vera Cruz and others worked tirelessly with Latino labor leaders like Cesar Chavez and Dolores Huerta to organize farm workers in the Delano Grape Strike of 1965. This led to the establishment of what we now know today as the United Farm Workers of America. Today, we've seen that legacy continue to our late Luisa Blue of SEIU, one of the highest-ranking Filipinos in labor, to Charmaine Morales, the current president of the United Association of California / Union of Healthcare Professionals, also known as UNAG-UHCP. In education, Filipino student organizers led the Third World Liberation Front, founding the nation's first Third World College at University of California, Berkeley, and the first College of Ethnic Studies at CSU, San Francisco. Filipinos have also demonstrated their valor serving in the U.S. military and in World War II. 9 Filipino Americans have received the Congressional Medal of Honor, the highest award for valor in action that can be bestowed serving in the United States Armed Forces. In public service, we have seen Rob Bonta, our first Filipino American Assembly member in the state's history, and the first Filipino Attorney General. We've also seen Todd Gloria walk these halls as Assembly member and now the mayor of the city of San Diego. And in our Governor Gavin Newsom's administration, we are also proud to welcome Nani Coloretti, our new cabinet secretary, who is the highest-ranking Asian American and Filipino American in Governor Newsom's administration. And I think he might be running over from the Senate chambers to be with us, but Senator Christopher Cabaldon and I are also so proud to join these ranks and to stand alongside each of you. Right on cue, Senator Cabaldon. Senator Cabaldon is the first Filipino American in the Senate, and I'm so honored to be your first Filipino woman in the California State Legislature. Thank you. All of this was made possible not just through the strength of the Filipino community, but through the broader coalitions that we have built and will continue to strengthen with our brothers and sisters in the Latino, Black, Jewish, LGBTQ+, and Native American communities. And so together, let us mark history and make history. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Assembly Member, and thank you for breaking that barrier, and we welcome you, Senator Cabaldon.